Alright, welcome back to 102.6, and you know it's always lit. This just in, we're experiencing more rolling blackouts in our area, so make sure you're prepared for that. We'll be back with more hip-hop and R&B.
What?
Could you touch that?
You were never Prince Charming, you were never Prince Charming. I was always queen and king, I was always my own damn king, yeah. I'll be my own damn king, yeah. I'll be my own damn king, yeah. I'll be my own damn king, yeah, yeah, yeah. You were never Prince Charming, you were never Prince Charming. I was always queen and king, I was always my own damn king, yeah. I'll be my own damn king, yeah.
Claire.
I've been calling your name for the past 5 minutes now.
I'm really sorry, I had my headphones in.
If you can't hear me calling you, then maybe you shouldn't have them at work.
No! I mean, it won't happen again.
Okay, well, just make sure you have this ready by 5.
Listen to me.
She knows. She knows.
To come and set me free. I don't wanna be like someone waiting for a handsome prince to come and save me. Oh, I will survive unless somebody's on my side. Yeah. You were never Prince Charming, you were never Charming, yeah. I was always queen and king, I was always my own damn king, yeah. I'll be my own damn king, yeah. I'll be my own damn king, yeah. I'll be my own damn king, yeah. You carry the world up on your shoulders, and I can see the
Very sad breaking news. Police say the fashion icon Kate Spade was found dead in her New York City home in an apparent suicide. The designer famously launched Kate Spade handbags, which later became a full-scale clothing and jewelry line. CNN's Gene Cazares is in New York working this for us. CNN White House reporter Kate Bennett is with us as well. So, Gene, first of all,
We're in the dark. Get out in the dark. We're in the dark. Get out of 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 the dark. We're in the dark. Get out of the dark. In the dark.
Smell like sewage. Cut. You want to cut? Do it. Do it. Do it now.